Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Dino's Kitchen. So when you go on the beach, people tend to bring a small sandwich, a little bit of fruit. It doesn't work like that for Italian people. When we go to the beach, my friend, we eat. And we eat pasta. Come with me and I'll show you how to make this pasta. Facciamo. First step of this recipe is cook our pasta. Onion. Gonna remove the ends. We wanna dice the onion very thinly. We're gonna grab our lovely pan, maximum temperature, drizzle of olive oil, onion in the pan. We just wanna get some color to the onions. Our second ingredients are Sweetcorn. Bam. Just like that. We're gonna leave the Sweetcorn in the pan and the onion as well. And I know it sounds weird, but we want them to slightly burn on one side. Because it's like that you really get the great flavor from the corn. We also make some popcorn, You see? That is what we want. But nice and roasted. Very good color. And you won't get any burnt flavor into it. So turn it off. Nice and easy, my friend. You are in Dino's Kitchen. The only requirement in this place is love for the food. And for your wife, otherwise she won't make the videos for me.
Promise.
Next ingredient, lovely baby San Marzano tomatoes. It's very hard to find them in UK, but I have got, a friend of a friend that knows a friend that knows a guy, Here we go, look how beautiful they are. You can really cut them however you like. But what I like to do is cut them in half and then I get small wedges. Tomatoes in. Next ingredient will have two functionality. First one, we're gonna keep all the oil from the jar. We're gonna keep a few dry tomatoes on the side. We're gonna slice them very thin. That goes in the bowl like that. In the meanwhile, our pasta is ready. I've literally just drained the pasta and mixed with some olive oil to avoid stick together. Next ingredient, some fresh mozzarella. We're finally gonna put some protein. We're gonna sprinkle some lovely tuna in there. Let's grab a spoon and start mixing all the ingredients. And there we go, a lovely pasta salad. I was joking. There is no Dino's Kitchen food without chuch. And that's why I saved the olive oil from before. So I'm gonna just top up the oil with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, little bit of egg yolk, just a touch of salt, after a few seconds you will reach a consistency like that. We're gonna add a little bit of some blush tomato, and there we go. In less than 2 minutes you have got a phenomenal homemade tomato mayonnaise. Even with cold pasta you need to have this noise, it's important. It makes your life much better. Nice, fresh, vibrant green from the basil. Look at that, what the difference already, my friend. Maronna mi. Nice sprinkle of flaky salt. Before I taste, come close. Come close. Check the noise. Mamma mia. Nice, light, fresh, easy to do. And you know what? If you keep in the fridge, it will taste even better. Please like and subscribe. Help us to grow the channel. And see you soon in the next recipe.